wave source, #1 source for Elliott wave technical analysis. Today is August 21st, 2013, and today I will cover a couple of key pairs going into the day, and that's the Euro Pound, touch on the Aussie Dollar, and the Pound Swiss. So now let's just start out with the Euro Pound, and this pair have been tracking for some time now, and with this we see that we were, well, with this pair, let's just give the overall view. With this pair, we were anticipating a move downwards, and we looked to enter short right here before, so we had got stopped out, but then we re-entered short on this spike of this candle. So re-entered at 87, then we took advantage of that going down, and then now we're looking to see if we can re-enter and look to make more profits as this pair pushed lower, because we're currently working on that C wave. Let me just jump out on the daily charts and take a quick look. So with this pair, this is the formation we see. We had the 5 waves going up, then we had waves A, B, then now we're working on that C wave. So with this, first targets are set at 83, that would be a 100 pip move, so 83.6 will be a 100% move rather, up wave A, 83.6, and then our next target would be 81.1, so about 81, slightly above 81. So those are the 2 targets we are looking for with this cross. So now with that said, so we jump down, we see that this would be the first of the impulses going down of that larger C. This would be the first subwave, which is what we're working on. So we had wave 1 followed by that correction, corrected about 76%. Wave 2, 76.4%, and then now we're getting the extended wave, so that's projected at 0.848. Once prices bounce off that level, we should see a minor retracement, so somewhere around 23.6 to 38.2%, somewhere in between that. So anticipating a bounce off this descending trend line, and at that point we would look to enter short again, so about 85.5, good area to get short, 85.5, 85.6, prices push at high, and then we'll look to run it down to complete that wave 1. Then we look to book profits, and then we'll try to catch it again on the corrective phase. And also jump over to the Pound Swiss, and with the Pound Swiss, found this pair very interesting. It had broke a descending channel which had been intact for a couple of months, so finally broke through that in an impulsive fashion. So we see we had wave 1 followed by 2, that was a 76.4% correction, then wave 3, which was the extended wave, then 4, and then something minor for wave 5. But do not rule out that this is a 1, 2, 3, and then this what we're working on is wave 4. The only reason I do not have that projected as wave 4, because as stated before, wave 2 retraced about 76.4%. It's indicated by the fibs. So retrace about 76.4%, and so far this wave had already surpassed that. This wave is at 50%, if I'm correct. Yes. So this wave retraced 50%. So, which is the reason why I'm ruling out that this is 1, 2, 3, 4. But do not rule it out though. But currently, you're just expecting that this is wave 1. Then we had wave A, so looking for a B wave. So probably something a little choppy and complex. Something choppy moving up to give us wave B. And then once that's completed, then we'll look for wave C. So currently projections for this are about at 145 to 145.4. So we're looking for prices to push up there, and then we should see it sell off and give us wave C. So anticipating a move towards this ascending trend line, which at that point we'd look to go long and try to take advantage of that third wave, wave 3. And the final pair I want to touch on today is the Aussie Dollar. And with the Aussie Dollar, did the chart of the day on this, as this was that first impulsive wave going up. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by A, B, C, so a flat correction. But Our projections of this were at the 61.8 fib. That was our initial projection, the 61.8 fib, and then we were looking at 89.7. So we were looking at that level for this pair to push to. But as we see, prices push beyond that, just slightly push beyond that, and hit that 76.4 fib, which it bounced off from. So that's definitely our critical level at this point. So you can either look to enter long from this point with stops below that. So be a 50 pip stop in place. So look to enter now 89.7, 89.75 at that price point, and then put stops below 89.2, and then look for this pair to push higher from that point. Or we can wait for the impulses to start taking form. So once we see prices pushing up in an impulsive manner, then we will know the corrective phase have ended, coming down, and then we will look to enter along from that point. But I'm definitely expecting this pair to push higher from this point. So a move below would signal that this pair, the downside move in this pair, is still intact. So we're at a critical level right now, the Aussie dollar. We could see that reversal, or we could see prices continue to push lower. So a break below would probably signal prices are still gonna push lower, and the confirmation will come with a break below 88.4. So break below 88.4 would confirm that the downward move is still intact. But as for now, anticipating that this pair will push higher. So thanks for watching today's video. Any questions or comments, definitely feel free to jump in the chat room, and I'll gladly assist you or go over anything you guys would like me to cover. So for you guys trading, enjoy the rest of your week, and hopefully you're having a great week trading so far. Thanks for watching the video once again, and good luck.